Welcome to OneSearch. This is tip number 8. This tip is another time saver, and it's something that can be really handy when you're working on papers for school, and that is help with your citations. Okay, so you're doing a lot of research, and you're interested in snails and turtles. For example, you do a quick search, and up comes all kinds of nifty results. And what you want is, for the ones you think, okay, I like this one and maybe this one, but you don't want to be too terribly overwhelmed by having to do the citations for it. So if you look over here to the right, you'll see little quotation marks. You hover above it, it says citation. Click on that, and that opens up this page, this little window here. Okay, this one is arrowing out. Let's try this one. Okay, that one worked. Not sure why the other arrowed out, but in any case, here we go. So this offers you a variety of standard citation formats. The first one is the APA, but you have others to choose from depending on what's required for your course. You can copy it to a clipboard. So let's see the Harvard one. There you go. And this can be really handy. However, keep in mind, sometimes they're not exactly right. You always want to double check, make sure it's exactly as it should be, but in general, they're close if not exact, and it can be another really great time saver. So that's how you can get help with your citations. I hope it helps. Thanks. Bye.